So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this stunning 1933 Ford Factory 5 Roadster. And this car comes to us about a 10-year-old build, but is just in beautiful condition. I mean, the metallic green paint shines excellent throughout. I mean, it is just a very well laid paint. The metallic's nice and even throughout. I mean, there are no dings or heavy gouges in this paint anywhere or in this body. And it's finished with that like factory style kind of stainless grille, which has an aluminum radiator fitted behind it, gives it a nice clean appearance. You have your polished tubular suspension components, their Foose Legend wheels that are on a staggered setup front rear, just give it a really mean stance. And these factory 5s have such a beautiful chassis on them. You can see that nicely powder coated black chassis, which behind it is sitting a nicely built 383 Chevy small block stroker V8 that would present very well at a local cruising or car show. It has a nice billet accessory drive. And these factory 5s always love these suicide doors. Just another neat detail. And this interior is finished very well. You have your kind of faux carbon fiber accent dash panel, your nice leather door panels and seats with your 4-point harness, your low car steering column with that great polished factory 5 steering wheel. I mean, this is just a stunning little street rod. So if you're in the market, it's not just a great looking car, it's a great driving car. So we'll jump it in and take it for a test drive. Suicide doors.
Oh yeah. It's an easy car to get in and out of. Look at this. Turn, sit down. Turn, stand up.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go for a test drive as soon as Dad gets his seatbelt on in that beautiful 1933 Ford Factory 5 Roadster.
Yeah, and we do have it's 4-point.
Yeah, if you want to get real spirited with it, or take it autocrossing, because you really could.
We're just gonna go for a cruise.
Yeah. Yeah, 383 fires right up. Nicely built. You got toggles here. You got one for your electric fan. Actually, I like how just simple this interior is.
Yeah.
It's finished. It's fully finished, but it's just they didn't go too far or try to add too much.
It's a nice looking interior.
It is, like the carbon fiber accents on the dash that carries over to the door. And we'll try to speak up so you can hear us, but of course, no top on this Roadster.
That 383 runs effortless.
Oh, I mean, this car does everything effortless. And right there's about 50-55. And it handles the bumps extremely well, like you'd expect from independent 4-wheel suspension with coilovers front and rear. I mean, this car is set up nice.
Backed by the Turbo 350 transmission, smooth, shifts extremely smooth.
It does.
And all of our gauges appear to work just like they should. Yep. Temperature, oil pressure, tachometer. Speedometer seems to fluctuate just a little bit. Fuel and voltage.
But yeah, I mean, right there's about.
Gauge seems to fluctuate a little bit too.
But they're all Autometer gauges, and I mean, this car just runs and drives so easy.
What an attractive car!
It is. I love the color on this car. I'm not a big green guy, but this shade with the metallic and that slight curl to it, it stands out. Yeah, with the Boss wheels, it's a very attractive look. And the staggered setup. I mean, it looks like it's a proper stance for a street rod. Now you don't have conveniences like power steering or AM/FM radio or air, but just drive and enjoy this thing. Listen to that 383 just sing the entire time.
You know, I actually prefer non-power steering at these high boys.
The steering's a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
More responsive.
I feel like you got a little bit more control, especially at speed.
Especially on a short wheelbase.
I mean, you can narrow up those front tires a little bit, make it even easier to steer in a parking lot, but there's not a whole lot of weight there, so.
It handles very well coming around the roundabout at about 15 miles an hour.
Way better than a factory 33 would.
But we'll open her up a little bit. Let that 33 breathe. Quick. She's got plenty of power. I think our camera might be vibrating a little bit.
Very strong 383.
Absolutely.
So if you're in the market for a great roadster, street rod, you know, one you don't have to worry about rust, and runs and drives right.
And you can take it, say, to cruise in or car show, put mirrors underneath and the bottom side's nicely painted, the frame's powder coated. It's just an attractive car throughout.
You definitely want to stay tuned for the walk-around inspection. It's more of a highlight reel. This is an excellent example of these high boys street rods. So
absolutely,
stay tuned.
So now we're done with the test drive. We'll move on to the walk-around inspection portion of the test drive video. And this really shouldn't take long. Like we said, this is an excellent example of these Factory 5 Roadsters. But we'll get right into it. In your windshield surround, shines nice and bright. No real age or defects to really note. Glass is nice and clear throughout. And that paint throughout, I mean, this is just a great paint job. This is a stunning color on this 33 and one that you don't see very often. And coming down, seeing some of the kind of bright work on the suspension components, the nicely powder coated frame, and underneath this car, I mean, you could about put mirrors on this 33. It is a great looking car and very well finished throughout.
And we do have the side covers.
We do.
Engine compartment.
And your front left foose wheel is in very good condition, shines nice and bright, no curb rash or heavy defects to really note. Now your Nitto tires are getting worn down a little bit. We're getting awfully close to the wear bars. The fronts are in better shape than the backs, as you'd expect. But coming across the hood, I'm not seeing any defects at all, just that stunning green metallic. Looks like it might have a slight pearl to it as well. But coming across your grille's in very good condition. Might have picked up a couple bugs in a test drive, but no defects to really note. Do have a little bit of age, or almost looks like kind of like overspray, but a little bit of age showing in this front right headlight. Passenger side of the hood is just as clean as the driver's side. Of course, no heavy chips or gouges in the paint on the frame. Polished suspension components still shine nice and bright. And that engine has got a great presentation with all the polished components. Oh, these are Boss wheels. I said Foose. These are Boss wheels. So correct myself on that. But passenger
side,
side,
front wheel is in excellent condition.
it is.
Yeah. Looks like we might have a little bit of age there.
Right mirrors in very good condition. Coming along the right side of the car. Not really seeing any noticeable paint chips to really point out, or even defects in the paint. Oh, Dad found one. Real nitpicky
small
one there. Don't really have to open the doors to show you the interior, but they both open very well. Inside your door jambs is nice and clean.
Of course, one nice thing about a fiberglass body, there's no rust. But all your vinyl components in this car are in excellent condition. The interior shows like a low mile car with little to no wear.
Your black carpet is nice and rich black. Your seats are in very good condition. No wear on the bolsters. There's one of the caps for, there's the other one over there where your roll bar mounts. And your low car shifter is in very good condition.
And come across your right rear quarter. Quarter's nice and straight. Again, no major defects really. No, there's not even like any like real stone chips inside the wheel well. But your right rear wheel is in very good condition again. Shines nice and bright.
Yeah.
Again, tires are getting kind of down. Coming across your rear deck lid. Trunk lid's in excellent condition. Both taillight assemblies are nice and clean and clear. Gaps around the trunk are nice and even. Go ahead and pop that so we can see inside it. It has a nice stand there. It's a nice clean presentation if you want to take it to a show.
It's your fuel fill.
You have, of course, comes with the assembly manuals and then the replacement pieces if you're in hardware, if you want to mount the roll bar back in the.
So very good information to have. And then you got a battery disconnect.
And there are two adjustable, or not adjustable, there's two external jump posts located underneath the car. But coming across the driver's side rear quarter, again in excellent condition, just like the passenger side. Your left rear wheel and tire very comparable to the rest. The wheel's in excellent condition. Driver's side door and body, again in excellent condition. Nice and straight, no dings or defects to really note.
It's just dirt.
Your left mirror is in very good condition, nice and bright.
And the driver's side portion of the interior is very comparable to the passenger side and in very good condition. There again, showing very little to no age or wear. And that carbon fiber accent, that's a nice touch. That great, almost banjo style factory 5 wheel. Driver's side seat. It does have just a little bit of wear here. It's not a tear, but just a little discoloration. But the rest of the seat is in very good condition. Same with your carpet on the driver's side.
And then coming under the hood, which there's a nice release underneath, kind of in the door.
It's actually on prop, so opens nice.
They do showcases that very well built and nicely detailed 383 stroker, fitted with 2 4-barrel carburetors, and lots of polished goodies. So we'll go ahead and get on in the street rod, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
Forward lights work as they should. And the license plate comes down automatically when you start. Running lights, brake lights. All your lights work as they should.
So if you're in the market for a beautifully built street rod or just one of these Factory 5 Roadsters that runs and drives and presents just like it should, you're going to want to take a very close look at this stunning 33 Factory 5 Roadster. Rock solid motorsport.